So you want to know how and where can you find trending sounds on Instagram? Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in multiple ways. So follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, open Instagram and go to the search section at the bottom right here. And then in the search bar, type any letter. I'm gonna type A and then search. From the search results, tap on audio at the top right here. And even though I only searched for A, it is one letter, I get a lot of trending sounds right here and songs. You can still go ahead and search for the artist that you want the audio of. So I'm going to type in Zayn for Zayn Malik and then tap on audio at the top again. And from here you can find every song he has made, especially the trending one. You can still find audio from your reels. So let's quit from here and go to the reels button at the bottom right there to find the reels and all the sounds trending on them. So find the trending sound reel, you can just tap on the bottom left corner on the sound right there. And then from here you can find every creator using the sound, and you can even use the audio yourself by tapping on the use audio button. You can still go back to the search section right here by tapping there again. So from here, what you're gonna do now is to search for creators and look for the account with the blue tick right next to it. This is your official account, and you can find trending audios here as well. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.